Hello, this is Mike Collinson here again. First of all, I'd like to wish you all a really happy new year. It's the 1st of January 2018, and I've got quite an exciting time ahead. I've got a really major project that I'm about to start. It won't really get going until well later in the spring, but I'm making an early start on it, and I'd just like to give you a preview of what's gonna go on. So once again, I wish you all the very best for the new year, and I hope you enjoy this short video. Bye bye. This is a very small bungalow that we bought on the Isle of Wight in the UK. Here you can see the garage on the right hand side and the bungalow beside it. Here's a plan or an elevation of the front of the building, and this is what I'm proposing to do. The big extension you can see here on the right hand side, which will enclose the whole of the area right across this scrub land here in the front, and the garage which will be coming down beside it. Here is a plan of the bungalow on the left hand side and the garage on the right. As you can see, it's all pretty small at the moment. And here's a plan of what I'm actually going to do. It's a big kitchen come dining and living area on the right hand side, which is actually bigger than the bungalow itself. And at the back, as you can see, there's an area, a patio area, and that's the area that I'm gonna make a start on here today. The bay window on the left hand side will be coming out. That forms a little internal lobbyway, and here as we come to the back of what will be the extension, you can see I've made a start here on digging out the first little piece of trench, the return wall for the patio area. The two yellow lines that you can see across the garden, that's roughly the area of the patio. As you can see, the whole area needs reducing in level, which means that on the left hand side I'm going to have to build a retaining wall to hold back the soil, and it also means that I can get rid of some of the excess soil that comes out of the right hand side. Here you can see I've making a start here on the foundations. I've come in, just turn around the corner, and here's a view from the other side. I've got to dig right the way across the garden here. As you can see, I've dug pretty much well across the width of the ground, although the hedge at the back is about 6 or 8 foot thick, so I've got to dig into this and eventually it'll all come down, so it's all marked out and ready to be dug out. At the moment, as you can see, I've only dug down to roughly the finished ground level that the brick pavers will end up at. So I have to take this down another section now to get down to the depth of the foundation wall. Well, this is all down, dug to the right depth now. I can't say I'm sorry to finish this. I must have shifted well over 6 tonne of soil and heavy clay. I've got a slight problem. As you can see in the foreground, there's a what looks to be a pipe, and farther back in the trench another one. In fact, they both look as if they're mains electricity cables, I think I'm going to probably be able to bury these under the ground, but we'll have to take care of that later on. Anyway, that's all for now, and I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen. The next video follow on from this, I'll be getting the foundations concreted and making a start on the wall. Bye for now.